Today, LinkedIn is where industry leaders share insights, startups find investors, and brands close six-figure deals, all through content and connection. Over 80% of B2B leads generated on social media come directly from LinkedIn. So if your business isn't using it strategically yet, you're missing out on serious opportunities to grow your brand, build authority, and attract high-quality clients. So how can you stand out in a space filled with industry experts, thought leaders, and competing brands? In this video, I'll break down a LinkedIn strategy that actually works and helps you turn connections into conversions. So, let's get started. Let's begin with the three main reasons why LinkedIn marketing is essential for B2B success. LinkedIn is built for professionals. It's designed for networking, lead generation, and trust building. For B2B marketers, it's the most effective place to connect with professionals who are ready to engage, learn, and buy. Here's why it matters. It is where real B2B buyers are. LinkedIn gives you direct access to the world's largest professional audience. According to its own statistical data, over 1 billion users, including 65 million decision makers and 10 million C-level executives. Unlike other platforms, people here come with intent. They're looking for solutions, insights, and trustworthy partners. It delivers exceptional ad performance. If you invest in paid promotion, LinkedIn is the channel that truly pays off. According to a report by Dream Data, LinkedIn ads deliver a 113% return on ad spend ROAS in B2B campaigns, outperforming every other social network for business results. It builds credibility and long-term trust. B2B sales rely on relationships, and trust is the foundation of every deal. LinkedIn helps you build authority by sharing thought leadership content, engaging with professionals in your niche, and showcasing your company's expertise. In fact, 75% of B2B buyers use social media to make their purchase decisions, and they are far more likely to trust brands they already follow on LinkedIn. Well, now you know the results you can expect, it is time to map out your game plan. A clear, actionable LinkedIn strategy designed to help your business grow one meaningful connection at a time. Step 1. Optimize your company page. Think of your company page as a digital storefront. It's often the first thing your potential clients will check before they reach out or reply to your messages. To ensure your profile looks presentable, keep your branding consistent, use a clear tagline that explains what you do and who you help, and add a strong About section focused on value, not just your company history. Use relevant keywords to make your page easier to find. It's also a good idea to share a mix of industry insights, case studies, and company updates to show both expertise and personality. Step 2. Define your target audience. You can't sell to everyone, and LinkedIn's strength lies in precision targeting. Identify the industries, company sizes, and job titles that align with your ideal customer. You can use LinkedIn's built-in analytics and search filters to narrow it down. The clearer your audience, the stronger your message, and the higher your conversion rate. Step 3. Post content that educates, not just promotes. Share valuable content like how-tos, thought leadership posts, behind-the-scenes videos, and short explainers. Statistics shows that 62% of B2B buyers trust LinkedIn video content. On top of that, according to LinkedIn data, videos get 5x more engagement than static content. And native documents like guides or infographics perform exceptionally well too. So you can post insights from your team, share success stories, and comment on industry trends. The goal is to position your brand as a trusted expert, not just another seller. Step 4. Engage your audience. People value genuine interactions. Respond to comments, join relevant discussions, and engage with content from other industry voices. It's not just about visibility, it's about building relationships. When people see your company contributing to meaningful conversations, they associate your brand with credibility and authenticity. Step 5. Leverage employee advocacy. Your team can be your best brand ambassadors. Encourage employees to share company updates or industry insights on their profiles. According to LinkedIn, content shared by employees gets 2 times higher engagement than content shared by company pages. It helps humanize your brand, expand your reach, and build trust organically. Step 6. Use LinkedIn ads strategically. LinkedIn ads can be pricey, but when used wisely, they deliver some of the highest quality leads in B2B marketing. You can start with sponsored content or message ads that promote valuable offers like webinars or white papers. Additionally, use lead gen forms to capture contact details directly on LinkedIn, making conversion seamless. To make the most of your LinkedIn marketing strategy, combine organic engagement with the retargeting campaigns to nurture prospects who have already interacted with your content. This will help you create a seamless customer journey where every touch point from your post to your ads works together to build trust and drive action. And finally, step 7, track and adjust. No strategy works forever. Use LinkedIn Analytics to measure post performance, engagement rate, and lead quality. Pay attention to what content resonates most and refine your approach accordingly. You can experiment with new formats, posting times, and messaging until you find what clicks with your audience, and then scale it. So once your LinkedIn strategy starts generating leads, what's next? If you want to go beyond simple posting and turn engagement into real business growth, SendPulse is here to help. With our all-in-one marketing platform, you can turn those new connections into loyal clients through automated email campaigns, chatbots, and a built-in CRM system, and keep all your interactions organized. You can segment leads by interest or activity, send personalized follow-ups, or even trigger an onboarding email right after LinkedIn Gen form submission. It's the perfect way to keep your brand top of mind and build long-term relationships automatically. To learn more about SendPulse's advanced marketing features, visit our website. You'll find the link in this video description. Let's wrap it up. LinkedIn is no longer just about networking. Now it's a powerful agent behind authentic connections and B2B success. And this concludes our video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss new marketing insights from SendPulse. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.